The VBCI, or Véhicule Blindé Combat d'Infanterie, is France's next-generation infantry fighting vehicle developed by GIT Industries now Nexter Systems and Renault Trucks Defense now Arquus. Designed to replace the aging MX1 OP, the VBCI entered service in 2008 and has since become a key element of French mechanized forces, with 630 units delivered by 2018. The VBCI combines combat-tested performance with advanced design features. Its wheeled 8x8 chassis provides improved mobility, cost-effective maintenance, and greater comfort than traditional tracked vehicles. The VBCI's modular configuration allows it to operate in a variety of roles. Built on an aluminum hull and protected by modular THD steel and titanium armor, the VBCI offers battlefield survivability with field-replaceable protection systems. Its mobility is underscored by its wheeled design, which allows for high-speed movement on roads and excellent cross-country performance. Designed to be air transportable by the Airbus A400OM, the VBCI enables rapid deployment of mechanized infantry forces across global theaters. The vehicle's versatility makes it suitable for both high-intensity conflicts and peacekeeping missions, adapting fluidly to varying operational environments from Europe to the Sol. The VBCI MK1 offers a unique blend of power, protection, and payload. Powered by a 500 horsepower engine, it reaches speeds up to 100 km per hour and covers a 750 km range. The crew of 3 and up to 8 fully equipped infantry troops benefit from an ergonomically designed interior, improving endurance during extended missions. Its CBRN protection system ensures survival in contaminated environments, while ballistic protection shields against small arms fire, mines, and IEDs. Whether patrolling urban centers or supporting armored columns, the MK1 sets the standard for modern wheeled IFVs. Armed with a 25mm KNDS France turret and a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, the VBCI MK1 delivers accurate and powerful fire on both static and mobile targets. The platform's fire control system, advanced optronics, and night vision capabilities enhance combat effectiveness under all conditions. Its design allows for integration of anti-tank guided missiles, enabling the VBCI to neutralize threats from heavy armor to UAVs. French Army units rely on the VBCI's precision engagement capability to provide overwatch, suppress enemy positions, and support infantry movements in dynamic operational landscapes. The VBCI MK2 builds on the battle-proven legacy of its predecessor with significant upgrades, integrating a remotely operated 40mm RCT turret and Akeron MP anti-tank missile system. The MK2 variant enhances lethality across a wider threat spectrum. The new platform supports counter-UAV roles with a 60-gun elevation and programmable airburst munitions. With lessons learned from deployments in Mali, Afghanistan, and other theaters, the VBCI MK2 evolves into a multi-role combat system capable of engaging main battle tanks, light vehicles, and aerial threats, all while maintaining operational mobility and soldier protection. Beyond the infantry fighting variant, the VBCI also includes the VPC command post vehicle, designed to lead operations in complex and digitalized battle spaces. The VBC carries advanced communication suites to SIP stations and accommodates up to 7 staff in addition to its crew. It features a 12.7mm self-defense trip for protection against close-range threats by integrating real-time command capabilities with battlefield survivability. The VBC enhances unique cohesion and response time in high-stakes missions. These variants extend the VBCI platform's rule from frontline combat to operational command, maximizing mission effectiveness. In response to evolving threats, Nexter developed the VBCI 3T variant, increasing gross vehicle weight to 32 tons. This heavier version features a reinforced undercarriage and a centralized tire inflation system, boosting durability against IEDs and enhancing adaptability to future tech insertions. The VBCI 3T ensures modularity, scalability, and improved survivability. Both VCI and VBC configurations have benefited from this upgrade, extending the platform's operational life and ensuring readiness for the changing nature of hybrid warfare and asymmetric threats. The VBCI has solidified its role as the French Army's premier wheeled combat vehicle, seamlessly integrating firepower, protection, and mobility. Its evolution from MK1 to MK2 and its variant versatility demonstrate Nexter and Arquus' commitment to continuous innovation. With its proven combat record, adaptability to modern threats, and export potential, the VBCI is poised to remain a critical asset for decades to come. Subscribe to Military Lake to stay informed on the world's most advanced armored platforms. Like, share, and comment below to join the conversation on next-generation battlefield technology.